Today we are going to learn about adding 3-digit numbers using column method. 3-digit numbers are made up of hundreds, tens and ones. In the column method, the numbers to be added or subtracted are set out above one another in columns. Let's learn about it with the help of an example. Here we have 514 add 367. Step number 1 is arrange the numbers above one another in columns. Step number 2 is add numbers starting from the left side, that is the ones column. So 4 ones add 7 ones is equals to 11 ones. As we cannot write 11 in the ones column, we will regroup 11 ones into 1 10 and 1 ones. Now we have 1 10 plus 6 tens and 1 10 that we have regrouped, which altogether makes 8 tens. Now moving on to the hundreds column, 5 hundreds and 3 hundreds is equal to 800. So 514 add 367 is 881. Can we change the order of the numbers to be added? In addition, the order of the numbers to be added doesn't matter. The order would not change the answer. For example, 5 add 2 is 7. If we change the order of the numbers to 2 plus 5, we will still get 7 as the answer.